If your Ram 1500's air conditioner stopped working, you're not alone. Stick around to find out the most common reasons your AC compressor fails. The air conditioner compressor is a big part of keeping your truck cool. When it stops working, it can be pretty frustrating, especially on a hot day. So why does the AC compressor in your Ram 1500 fail? First, check the fuse or relay. Sometimes it's just a blown fuse, and swapping it out can get things running again. Next, low refrigerant is a common problem. If there's not enough coolant in the system, the compressor won't turn on to protect itself. You may need a recharge, but check for leaks first. Another reason could be a bad pressure switch. If this part isn't working, the compressor gets the wrong signal and stays off. You might also have a broken compressor clutch. This is the part that lets the compressor turn on and off. If it's worn out, the compressor won't work at all. Don't forget about the wiring. Loose or damaged wires can stop the compressor from getting power. If none of these quick checks solve the problem, it's a good idea to see a mechanic. Some fixes need special tools or know-how. So, don't sweat it, literally. A little troubleshooting goes a long way to get your Ram 1500 cool again.